merge or rebase. The goal is the same, getting your work and everyone else's back into one place. The difference is what your history looks like afterwards. Start with a commit. It's a snapshot of the project at one moment, with a name attached. String a few of them together, and you have a branch. This one is main. You start a feature, so you branch off from the latest commit and do your work over here. 2 commits of your own. But you're not the only one working. While you were busy, main picked up 2 commits of its own. The 2 lines have drifted apart. That's a divergence, and every Git question you've ever had starts here. The first option is merge. Git takes the tip of each branch and makes one new commit with 2 parents. That's the merge commit. Nothing you already wrote moved or changed. Your old commits still sit exactly where you made them, and the fork stays visible in the history forever. Rewind and try the other one. Rebase doesn't join the branches. It picks your commits up off the branch, rewinds to the new tip of main, and replays them one at a time on top. Same changes in the same order, but replayed on a different base. So they're new commits, with new hashes. The old ones are gone, and what's left is a single straight line. That's the whole difference. Merge keeps the fork. Rebase flattens it. So use merge on branches other people have already pulled, because it never rewrites anything. Use rebase on your own branch before you share it, when you'd rather read history as one clean line.